Hello, everyone. Welcome back. So, this is the end of week 3 of the Cyberwave Builders Challenge. This week has been primarily focusing on setting together this UI. That way, we can easily see what the models are basically detecting and what ultimately is going to drive Hedon's behavior. So, this dash is essentially what would normally happen with all the commands from terminal. So setting up the SSH, where the repo would live on the robot, and then the command that I would like to for it to run. And then there are 3 modes: the dark, the light, and then for my Iron Man fans, what is saved as Jarvis mode, but it's the same styling as Iron Man's HUD. And then a few docs. That way, once this is up and available, folks can easily access the docs associated with the project. But for now, let's go ahead and get us connected. It'll go ahead and move forward with the SSH forwarding, and then start the program. This will take just a few minutes, but you will see Hedon adjust the camera up top and then proceed with a greeting once it is ready. And a few notes here, you will see that there is the heart rate, confidence, and there I am, and the stress indicator, and that is coming from my Oura ring.
Your robot's main programming is operational. Hello, Hedon.
Hello, Hedon. Now, I'm still working on the transcript piece. It still picks up a lot of the ambient noise, so just got to do a few tweaks there and making sure that it only parses the text instead of a lot of what you're seeing here. But I went ahead and adjusted the frames per second so that it actually shows, and then have to fix this bug where every now and then it may intermittently lose connection and just kind of like wipes out. But at the very least, you are able to see the core functionality where everything's being forwarded over, and you'll be able to see the logs and whatnot to some extent. That is also a work in progress, as it's not currently showing the actual Docker logs. But that is the progress for this week. So I did start adding some commands to have Hedon, move forward or stop, and ultimately that's slowly developing. As I continue working through the transcript pieces, it'll be easier to actually have it follow the commands once I clean that up, and then just going through more of this, like the ability for it to track as I move around, and then just getting it to respond a lot faster. But that is it for now, and it's doing that blank out again, and it's back. Yeah, just minor connectivity issues. But that is it for this week. So next week, once the polar variability sense makes it in, gonna go ahead and wire that together and replace the biosensor readings, and then that's gonna ultimately impact the the behavior, right? The final behavior and how the policies are put together to really drive Hedon's reactions. And then more than likely, just gonna open source the project and get it ready for showtime. Until next time, thank you very much.